Well, it sounds like you already gave us a few, but what's the most life-changing transformation or most common transformation you've witnessed in your clinic?
I see so many stories, and I would say the best ones are those where we impact their life, we restore their confidence, and it just shows up in so many ways, in so many daily activities. I could have a mom who just is not feeling herself after childbirth and undergoes procedures for herself and feels like herself again. I can have an empty nester who their kids have graduated and off to college, and they're stepping up to say, you know what, it's me time. I'm going to do something for myself now. I've done my job, I've done my diligence to the world, and now it's time for me. That milestone wedding, that 25-year reunion, that 50-year reunion where they're capturing the pictures and it's really capturing their confidence. That man, that woman who is out in the next chapter of their lives, dating again and just wanting to be the best version of themselves and look natural. That teenager who has acne, who doesn't leave the house or doesn't go on social parties because they're just embarrassed, or now I'm able to treat them and they now have a girlfriend and they're going to social activities again. That melasma patient, that blotchy pigmentation, who literally wears pounds of makeup every day because they're not confident going out into the world, literally wearing a mask of makeup, but now they can go makeup free. So those are some of just the wonderful transformational everyday changes that we get to experience and I get to be a part of. And that's what's really, really special. And we talked about the importance of, saying no. We don't do treatments on everyone that comes in. We really see what they actually need. We don't do what they ask for. We do what they need. And I think that's what sets us apart. We, put together that plan for them, 5 pillars of health, along with in-office treatments, along with the 3 Ps to pretty skin, along with that 30-30-30 rule. And all of those together really help our patients to get to the result they're after and truly be able to live fully.